Meerkat here with two trades of the day from the Grok Trading Room, brought to you by Grok Trade. Hey, let's take a look here at what M and K. Here it was right after opening, and this is about the time that someone called it out from my chat room here, just as it broke the $53 line right here. And then it was low basing here at $52. So this is a low base. Want to know more about that? Go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school there. And here it is, low basing down here. So I set an order right down here to short it if it were to break down below 52. And let's see what happened next. And bam, right there it triggered me in here at $51.78. I am now short here on MNK. And then what happened after that? It just kind of puttered here for a little while, so I set a stop here just above this 8 EMA here. And let's see if it's going to drop or not. And it went down here to 51.55 low, and then popped right up above that 8 EMA and stopped me out at 52.22 for minus 0.8% in 5 minutes. All right, that's the first trade. Hey, before we get to our second trade, would you like to learn to trade the Grok trade way? That's right. If you're struggling and making lots of trades but not making lots of money, perhaps our mentoring program can help you. If you are to that point, right down here, you can do either to our free webinar on what our mentorship program is about. It's only about 20 minutes long, and you can do that, and we have it scheduled here for Wednesday, and we have it scheduled on Saturday morning. Now, these are Eastern times, 3 p.m. Wednesday Eastern time, or 11 a.m. on Saturday. So be glad to talk with you about what our mentoring program is all about. If you want to get instant information about that, just go up here to Trainee Mentor, and right here is a place you can read all about it, and then sign up here and hit submit, and we'll just give you a call and just talk to you about what your trading is and how our mentoring program may help you improve. All right, back to trading here. Trade number 2. We must be nimble here, folks. So it looked like it may be ready to reverse here. We had a really high volume down here on this low base, and if it does reverse, and let's see what happened next here. So what happened is it popped up here right to this 20 moving average. This is hard to show you after the fact because it tagged this and then it was just sitting underneath this 20 moving average for a while. So I set a trade just above that. This is just a mini high base here, and then boom, I am now long at 52.72 on MNK. And let's see what happened after that. All right, I'm rolling up here, bringing my stop up. Now it's to break even just below this 8 EMA on this 1 minute chart. Now it's stalling right here, right? The 50 moving average. It's stalling here right at 53.50, and it was there a little while, so I set up half a trade to get out. It just resting, so I went ahead and I got out half here at 53.60 for 1.6% on the first half. Now I've been moving my stop up here. I'm going to set it here just below this 8 EMA and this 50 moving average here. It's below that. If it breaks below those two, I don't want to be long anymore. And sure enough, bam, look what happened. It fell and then started to fall even harder. So I got out the second half at 52.28 for 1.0% on the second half. So let's take a quick look here. We had a short setup here and it fell down, and then it reversed, and as it broke above this 20 moving average, I got long. When it stalled at the 50 moving average, I went ahead and took out half, and when it dropped below the 50 moving average and the 8 EMA, I stopped out. So this total trade was for 1.3% in 11 minutes here. So these two trades together was a total of 16 minutes and a net of 0.5%. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that, as Jack of the Grok Trading Room says, change your frame of mind from predictability to probabilities and increase your profitability. Thanks, Jack. Trade well.